Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I will be reviewing the KKW Conceal, Brighten, and Bake little trio. So this is the packaging that it comes in. The bag is super cute. I really like it. And inside the bag you get a concealer, which I got the shade 12. I swatched this one comparison with my Shape Tape just to see the color match. This is the KKW concealer and this is Shape Tape, so the colors are similar, so I'm glad I chose this one because I like that yellow concealer, like that yellow base concealer. I received the number 3 brightening powder, which is the yellow one. And it's, yeah, so I received number 3, the yellow one, and then also the baking powder, which is number 3 as well. So these are the 3 items that it comes with. You also get the brush. You get this dual-ended brush right here, and you also get like 2 dual-ended concealer brushes. I've never tried that. This is my first product using from KKW, so I will see how these brushes work, see if I like the application that it does. Like I'll try all of it just to, like, you know, give it a fair chance and see if I feel like it's good. Personally, you also get this little piece of paper, which is so super cute, and it shows the steps of the order you do it in, which is conceal, bake, and brighten. On the back it has the ingredients, and it also has like step by step, which it'll say conceal, apply liquid concealer to under eyes and blend for a flawless under eye. Apply for the baking portion, it says apply desired amount of baking powder on pointed sponge of the concealer brush 1 to set under eyes, and brush away excess powder with the fluffy side. Okay, so it's saying to bake with this part and then dust away with this part, and then it's saying brighten using the fluffy end of the brush. Apply desired amount of brightening powder to brighten under eye, and then use the rounded end of the concealer brush to apply more brightening powder in the inner corner of the eye for ultimate brightness. So I'm going to follow the steps on here. I've watched a lot of reviews on this and I've seen a lot of mixed reviews, so one thing I did notice though is that the packaging for this is really small. Literally in the concealer you get 0.162 ounces, in the Shape Tape you get 0.33, so you literally get double, and the prices are very close. It's like what, like a $5 to $7 price difference. So that already is something I've observed, is that the price point versus how much product you get, I do not feel that they are, like, it's not a good price match for how much product you get. So yes, I'm just going to be sure that I follow these instructions though of how to apply it, because I have seen some other YouTubers, when they apply the brightening powder with a damp sponge, it kind of breaks apart underneath the eye. So I'm like, that is not what we're supposed to be doing. So I will make sure I apply the baking powder with a dry sponge, and I'm gonna use it with the dry sponge that I have on here. And this claims to have key anti-aging ingredients, including ceramides, marine collagen, and I don't know what that is, some fruit extract though in the product. And it says formulas helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improve hydration, improve skin smoothness, and make skin appear firmer and more elastic over time. So we're gonna see also if it does what it claims to do. So yes, if you want to see how I got this, how this video goes, if I like it, if I don't, and just my overall opinion, just keep watching. Make sure you're subscribed. Let me know what else you want to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And I'm about to go apply my foundation right now, just because there is no foundation. So I'm about to just prep my skin and my foundation, and I'll be back. So I got my foundation on, so now I'm just going to take the concealer and apply it in all the areas that I would normally highlight. I did hear that it's super smooth and creamy, and I can already tell that it is super creamy, and it seems like it's really thick. I always like to bring it up to the sides of my nose. So now I always spray my concealer before I blend it out with some sort of like setting spray. I'm gonna just blend it out, because it said, I don't think there was any, it just said blend it out. It didn't say what specific brush though. Yeah, it just says blend it out. I'm gonna follow the brushes on the areas that actually specify. So this one doesn't specify a brush, so I'm just using blend it out as normal. I like how yellow it is. Concealer is pretty full coverage. Let me just keep blending. I like how yellow the concealer is. I will say that. Like, I love this color. Is like a really good color for me. So yeah, here's my skin after I've blended everything. I feel like the concealer is pretty full coverage. It's I feel like it's covering like everything on my face. Like any blemishes or discoloration has been covered. I don't feel like it's too heavy. Like, I feel like it's just like, it's good, it's creamy, like it's not too thick. It's thick, but not like a thick where it's like, god damn, this is thick. Next, we will take this brightening, this baking powder. So now on this paper, it's saying that when you bake, apply desired amount of baking powder on pointed sponge of the concealer brush 1 to set under the eye. So yeah, this one right here. Then brush away excess powder with the fluffy side. So we're going to set again. Like I said, I don't think you're supposed to use, because how finely milled this powder is, I do not think you're supposed to use a damp sponge. I feel like you're supposed to use this one, so this is what we're going to use. But I'm just going to make sure there's no creasing going on underneath my eyes before I set it. Random, but one thing I can appreciate about the way you open this is that it's just boom, it's just one. So like literally when you close it, that's it. It's just one and then it locks. Like you're not like twisting it. So that's different, and I like that about the packaging. So now I'm just going to take the brush. Wow, this looks super fine. Wow. And I'm just pressing that under the eye. This brush is super stiff. Like super stiff. So now I'm going to dust away the powder like it says with this this end. And I'm using a light hand. Yeah, I don't know why it's like shimmer in there. That's very different. Since most powders are super matte. But I feel like it does kind of give your under eye like a silky finish. Like I can see that silkiness that they're talking about that you get from this. Yeah, it's definitely giving my under eye like a silky finish. Like I see what it means like on the packaging when it says silky. Like, because initially I'm like, wait, what? Silk? It's different. Like I don't think it looks bad. I do feel like I lost some of my coverage like right up in here underneath my eye. This brush is cool to like get underneath the eye also, like because it's so small, so it can get right underneath there, I feel. Now I'll just set my face as I normally would everywhere else. Now we will use the brightening powder. And I'm just switching ends. First I was using this one, now I'm going to use this one. And put my brush in there. I don't know how I feel about this. Like it's definitely brightening my under eye. For sure. But like, I don't know, like, because it has like shimmer in it. Like, I don't know how I feel about that. Like maybe if it didn't have that shimmer. And I wonder, is this brush small so you don't apply a whole bunch at once? Because if you did, I feel like you would look like, yeah, you can definitely, I feel, see a difference from here to here. It definitely does what it claims to do, brighten the under eye. This is definitely a brightening powder. The way that it's formulated with that like shimmer in there, I don't know about all that. But I'm about to be open-minded still and just keep going just to see how I feel about like the finished look, especially when I take pictures. I just want to know like the secret behind that, like why there is shimmer in the brightening powder. Like, what does that do? Like, does that help to brighten it quicker or what? I mean, I guess this is like the kind of look that you're going for. It do what it say it's gonna do. It definitely brightens the under eye. And I'm gonna put this down the bridge of my nose as well because I feel like my nose contour. Okay, wait, that probably was not a good idea. Oh, it definitely helped my nose contour though. So I feel like I had messed it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish my face and then we're gonna come back and talk about this. Okay, so I just finished my makeup. Overall, I don't think they're bad products at all. They're not formulated bad at all. You do have to follow the directions. You cannot go about this the same way you would do your normal routine. When I was watching other YouTubers, they were taking their damp beauty sponge and using that to brighten under their eye. That powder is so finely milled, so if you put it on with a damp sponge, I feel like it just doesn't react well. So that's why that's how you can start to look old underneath the eyes, because it doesn't react well with liquid. So that's why you do have to use a dry sponge. The sponge still works, but like you said, like how this one's dry, this is why it was able to work for me and why my under eye did not start to look all old and all that stuff. I do not care for the shimmer in the that's like the shimmer that's in the brightening powder. Like, I understand that that probably helps brighten the under eye more, but me personally, I don't care for it. I do like the idea of a brightening powder because I love that brightened under eye look. I feel like it looks so nice. I would just like to see it without the shimmer in it. That's my only concern. Besides that, of course, we all know they need more shade ranges. They can have, like, I understand that concealer is supposed to brighten the under eye, but if people are looking to contour with these as well, there's definitely not enough for, like, the darker shade range. Like, there can definitely be a dark deep. We all know that. Yes, I think that they could add an additional shade. I don't believe in the let's launch these first and then add more. I don't believe in that. I don't know if that's what her like idea was in her head, but I do believe that there could be more. The packaging is super small for the amount of product that you get. Like, you'll go through that super fast, and I'm all about like saving money, so I don't really care for the price point of it versus how much product you get. Again, the products are not formulated bad. They're really good formulated products. The concealer is good. I like how finely milled the baking powder is. That is nice and different because I feel like it doesn't cake up underneath the eye, and it keeps and it just, like, it makes the overall finish good. Like I said, again, I do like the idea of a brightening powder. I just do not care for it to have that shimmer in it. So I think it's cute how she has like a contour, like a highlighting kit. I love that idea. I love it. I spent $80 for everything total. Do I feel like it's worth it? Not necessarily. You can go find all three of those products for way cheaper, literally. So if you want to get it because it's KKW, I completely understand. Do I feel like it's like, bruh, you need this, you gotta have it? Not really. Like, they're good products, but I don't think it's like a must-have unless you just want the experience and to try it yourself, you know, like, yeah. But they're all good products. For me to this be my first time using her products, I thought that was pretty cool. Again, I like the idea, the concept of it, and I love that she included the card. And I love that she included this card. Like, I feel like this card really made a difference in it. Like, because if I didn't have this guideline, I probably would have just been doing any damn thing, and I would have probably took my beauty sponge and tried to bake underneath my eye as well, and would have been looking old as hell underneath my eye. So this was helpful. The instructions were very helpful. Yeah, so that's all. Oh, and the brushes, they're cool. I like how dense this is, though, to dust away the powder. I feel like it's better to use a denser brush to dust away powder underneath your eye. I do like that. And the other brush was cool as well. So yeah, it's a cool product. If you want to get it, great. It's not a bad product, so I'm not saying like don't go get it, but you can find a better, like, you can find cheaper products altogether. So yeah, but overall I enjoyed the experience of, like, you know, the highlighting, baking, and brightening. I did enjoy it. So yes, I hope this review was helpful. Comment down below your thoughts. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Almost forgot. The giveaway winner is Lynn Bowens. Lynn, I love you so much, and thank you for your support. Like, seriously, I want to thank all of you for your support. Seriously, it means the most to me. It means the most to me. It means the world to me. It means a lot to me to have like support of all of you guys, so I really do appreciate you guys. This is not the last giveaway I'll probably be doing my next one at 20K. I can't believe I'm already at 12K. Y'all, I'm at 12K already. Like, I literally just made it to 10K. Seriously, 2 weeks ago I made it to like literally like a week ago did I make it to 10K? What was I talking about? I made it to 10K. I literally just said I'm already at 12K. So thank you guys so much for that. Lynn, email me. I'm going to put my email right here. Email me so I can get you your $100 gift card to Sephora. Yes, email me. Please email me. Yes, thank you guys, and I love you all. Thank you all for entering. Again, this is not my last giveaway. Make sure you'll follow me on Instagram as well, because I probably will be having a giveaway on Instagram, because I'm almost at 20K on Instagram. So I might do a giveaway for 20K on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me on Instagram, Jamie with 8 I's and E. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.